We have to find the equation of tangent normal to the curve y square is equal to 10x plus 7 at the point 2 comma 4. First I draw a curve. This is just a rough curve, and tangent is any line touching the curve and normal. So this is the point where the tangent is touching the curve, and this is the point of contact. Let us call it as a 2 comma 4, and this is tangent, and any line perpendicular to tangent is called normal. So it is normal. So we are having tangent and normal. We need to find equation of tangent and normal. So what I am having y square equals to 10x plus 7, and this is the given curve. Curve is any line, anything which is not straight is called as a curve. And to find the slope, we must do dy by dx. So differentiating both sides with respect to x. So differentiation of 10x plus 7 with respect to x. Derivative of y square is 2y dy by dx, and derivative of 10x is 10. Derivative of 7 is 0. So dy by dx equals to 10 by 2y, 2 ones are 2 5s are, so it is 5 upon y. So let us call m1 as the slope of tangent, m2 is the slope of normal. So how to find slope of tangent and normal? m1 is equal to, let m1 is equal to slope of tangent, and m1 is given by dy by dx at the point x1 and y1 is equals to, what is x1? The x1 y1 is the point of contact 2 comma 4. So x1 y1, so x1 y1 equals to 2 comma 4 here. So what I do now, already we are having equation that is 5 upon y. So what I do now, I put the value of x1 is how much? 2 comma 4. So here is the 2 comma 4, and here it become y1. So 5 upon y1 is nothing but 4. Therefore the slope of tangent is 5 comma 5 upon 4. So equation of, now next step is equation of tangent. So how to find equation of tangent? Equation of tangent is obtained by using equation y minus y1 equals to m1 x minus x1. So y minus y1, y1 is nothing but 4 and m1 is nothing but 5 upon 4 and x1 is nothing but 2, putting into the equation. Now simplifying the given equation here. So 4 into y minus 4 equals to 5 into x minus 2. So I do get here 4y minus 16 equals to 5x minus 10. Now taking y term to that side so that x term will become positive. It is general, our habit is to keep x term as a positive. It is nothing like y has to be positive or x to be positive. Generally it is a habit. Therefore I am interested to keep 5x as a positive. Therefore taking 4y that side as well as the 16 to that side. So the equation becomes 5x minus 10, 4y goes that side, minus 4y, 16 goes side, therefore plus 16 equals to 0. Now writing proper order, 5x minus 4y minus 10 plus 16 equals to 0, 5x minus 4y plus 6 equals to 0. So this is required equation of tangent. Now we proceed to find equation of normal. Now second case, we have to find equation of normal. So how we can find equation of normal? For that, slope of tangent was how much? Slope of tangent, that was the m1 equals to how much it was? 5 upon 4. So 5 upon 4. Now we need to get the slope of normal. So slope of normal m2 equals to minus 1 upon m1. Slope of normal is negative reciprocal of slope of tangent. So minus 1 upon 5 upon 4 equals to minus 4 upon 5. And point of contact we are already having. Point of contact equals to px1 y1 equals to 2 comma 4. So let us check the point of contact. Yes, it is 2 comma 4. So now equation of normal, again the same formula, idea is remaining the same. Equation of normal, y minus, for tangent we had used m1, now for normal we are using m2. So x minus x1, the point is remaining same, therefore so this stands for the x1 equals to 2 and y1 equals to 4. This is what the value I am going to put here. So that is 4 and m2 value minus 4 upon 5 x minus x1. Now cross multiplying 5 y minus 4 equals to minus 4 x minus 2. Now simplifying this, so I do get 5y minus 20 equals to minus 4x plus 8, bringing minus 4x to the left side, 5y plus 4x minus 20 minus 8 equals to 0. So 5y plus 4x minus 28 equals to 0. Writing proper order, 4x plus 5y minus 28 equals to 0. This is required equation of normal. Tangent and normal to the curve y equals to x cube minus x square minus 2 at the point whose abscissa is minus 2. ठीक है, so we got here curve and we got tangent and this is a point of contact, and even we need to find the normal. And this point is not totally given, only they have given the x value and y value not given. So abscissa we are having, abscissa stands for x coordinate, x coordinate. So x coordinate is given, x equals to -2, but y coordinate is not given, x coordinate is -2. But the curve is also passing to the point P, and tangent is also passing to the point P. So coordinates of point P must satisfy the equation of curve. Therefore P -2 comma y satisfies equation of curve. Therefore put x is equal to -2 in what is the equation of curve? X cube minus x square minus 2. Now we put the -2 value in place of x. Be careful when minus is given. Sometimes if we not pay proper attention, we commit mistakes. So we got y equals to -14, and x is also already we are having -2. Therefore now x comma y, that is we can call it as x1 y1, that is a point of contact. This is nothing but point of contact, and that is equals to -2 comma -14, because they given only abscissa. So we wanted to find ordinate, that is y coordinate. So we got the y coordinate. So we got the point of contact. Now we can draw like this. This is what, and this is the tangent normal, and we got x value and y value, that is -2, and this is nothing but -2 comma -14, and y equals to we are having x cube minus x square minus 2, y equals to x cube minus x square minus 2. We need to find equation of tangent, so we go for equation of tangent. We need to find equation of tangent equals to how much, and we need to find equation of normal. So we need to find equation of tangent and normal. So let's call m1 as slope of tangent, m2 as the slope of normal. Now we are already having experience that slope of normal is negative reciprocal of tangent. So now first we go for y equals to x cube minus x square minus 2. Now we go for dy by dx, because dy by dx is help us to find the slope of tangent. So 3x square minus 2x, and so this is what derivative of x cube. Derivative of x cube is 3x square, and derivative of x square is 2x, and minus as it is, derivative of 2 is 0. So now we need to find m1. So m1 is nothing but dy by dx at the point -2 comma how much, -2 comma -14 equals to 3 into -2 square and -2, and the value is -2. So we get here 3, here is a 4, here is a plus 4, 12 plus 4 equal to 16. Therefore slope of tangent m1, slope of tangent m1 is equal to 16. Simultaneously we can find out slope of normal, and slope of normal is what? Yes, slope of normal is m2, that is negative reciprocal of slope of tangent minus 1 upon m1, so 1 upon minus 1 upon 16. Now the case number 1, here to find equation of tangent. First we go for tangent here, and so we just draw the diagram once again, and here is a point, that is a minus 2 comma minus 14, and equation of the tangent can be obtained by the formula. What is the formula? This stand for minus 2 stand for x1 and minus 14 stand for y1. So y minus y1 equals to m1 x minus x1. This formula can be applied, and it is equation of tangent. So y minus, when minus is there, be careful, minus 14 and m1 is 16, x minus and minus 2 here. So y plus 14 equals to 16, x plus 2. Open the brackets. So when I open the bracket, it becomes like this. Now we need to simplify. As far as my habit, I always keep x positive, x term. So I take y that side and 14 even that side equals to 0. So 16x minus y, from 30 to 14 will go 8 and 1. So plus 18 equals to 0. This is the equation of tangent. Now we must go for equation of normal. So case number 2, to find equation of normal. So how to find out equation of normal? Again the same idea, y minus y1 equals to m2 x minus x1. So what is the m2 value and x1 y1 value? So m2 we are having, that is minus 1 upon 16 and minus 2 comma minus 14. So we are having minus 2 comma minus 14. So we put the value here, y minus y1, and that is minus 14. m2 value is minus 1 upon 16 and x minus x1, it is minus 2. Now when 16 is upon now, so what we will do now? We will be taking the 16 to the numerator part. So I go for the 16 here, minus into minus plus 14 equals to minus 1, x plus 2 here. So now simplifying, 16y, 16 into 14, that is 224, minus x minus 2, bringing minus x to the left side. So it becomes positive, 16y already there, 224 minus 2 to the left side become plus 2 equals to 0, x plus 16y plus 226 equals to 0. This is required equation of normal. Thus equation of tangent and normal we obtain. In this question it is given tangent is parallel to x-axis and we need to find the points on the curve. Suppose this is the curve, so this is the point and we need to find the point of the curve, and the tangent is parallel to x-axis. Suppose this is x-axis and it is tangent, and tangent is parallel to x-axis. Whenever the tangent is parallel to x-axis, dy by dx equals to 0. Why? slope of the line is also 0 when it is parallel to x-axis. Tangent is parallel to x-axis. It implies slope of tangent is 0. Implies dy by dx equals to 0. Given curve is y equals to x cube minus x square plus 5. Doing dy by dx. Why doing dy by dx? Because we need to find slope, and slope equals to 0 in this case. So finding out the derivative, 3x square minus 2x plus 0. So dy by dx equals to 3x square minus 2x. Now tangent is parallel to x-axis, therefore dy by dx equals to 0. What is the reason? Since tangent is parallel to x-axis. Whenever the tangent is parallel to x-axis, dy by dx is always 0. Implies 3x square. dy by dx is 3x square minus 2x. So keeping in place of dy by dx, comparing it with 0, x is taken common. 3x minus 2 equals to 0. We get x equals to 2, and we get 3x minus 2 equals to 0, implies x equals to 2 by 3. So we are having x equals to 0 and x equals to 2 by 3. Now the given equation is y equals to x cube minus x square plus 5. Y equals to x cube minus x square minus 5. We got here the two values, x equals to 0, x equal to 2 by 3. We can call it as a x1 and we can call it as a x2. And corresponding values of y would be called as y1, y2. So how to find y1 and y2? We got here y equals to given equation of the curve. Now put x1 equals to 0 in this equation. So I get y1, that is x1 cube, x1 square minus 5, that is 0 cube, 0 square minus 5 equals to minus 5. Therefore what? Therefore x1 y1 becomes what? x1 value is 0 already there, and y1 value is minus 5. So this is the first point of contact we have got here. Now we need to go for second case. So for that again, x2 is equal to 2 by 3 and y equals to, so case number 2. So y equals to x cube minus x square minus 5, and x2 equals to 2 by 3 we are having 2 by 3 value here. x2 is equal to 2 by 3. So we are going to put here in the equation. So I am going to get y2 equals to 2 by 3 cube minus 2 by 3 square minus 5. So y2 equals to I get here 8 upon 27 minus 4 upon 9 minus 5. Equalizing the denominators, here is the 27, make it 27, so 3 by 3, and here 27 upon 27. I wanted you doing step by steps so that you can understand more better way. So 12 upon 27 and minus 5 7 the 35, 3 5 to the 10, 13, and we got here the 27. So this is equals to, when all denominators are equal, we can manage the numerators. So but denominator written only one time. So 135 and 12, that is 7 for 147. So 8 minus 147 upon 27. From 147 subtract 8, that is equal to 139. So this becomes 139 upon 27. Therefore x2 y2 x2 is 2 by 3 comma minus 139 upon 27. So this is second point of contact. This is second point of contact, and the above one here, this is the first point of contact. So there are 2 points of contact we got here. So this is the, let's move to the next question. In this equation, we have to find slope of tangent passing through. So it is, curve is not given, only the tangent is passing to some points. What are the points? 4, 5 and 3, 4. So these 2 points are given to us. Let us call this point as a x1, y1 and x2, y2. So let us call as a point A and point B. So what is AB? AB is tangent. AB is a tangent to, let us call it as equation y equals to f of x. So AB is a tangent to the curve y equals to f of x. Now slope of any line is given by formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So what is y2? 4. And what is y1? 5. And what is x2? 3. And what is x1? 4. So we are having here minus 1 upon minus 1 equals to 1. Therefore slope of tangent M equals to 1. This is the way we find the slope of tangents. In this question they did not ask us to find equation, so we are not finding equation, only slope of tangent is required. So that's the result. Find the point on the curve at which the tangent is parallel to the line where A and B are given. So let us draw tangent first. This is the tangent and we call it the point of contact x1 and y1, and parallel to the line another line is given, and AB, A is 5, 6, B is 10, minus 4. Now students will ask me where to draw line AB. You can draw here also, but you can draw here also, you can draw here also. We don't know exactly the line is there, so we don't bother where the line is drawn, but it has to be parallel. So the line is parallel to the tangent. This is the tangent. Now we need to find this point P, x1, y1. That is our aim. So how to do that? The step number 1. Step 1. Line AB given to us. A is 5, 6. We can call it as a x1, y1. x1, y1. Therefore x1 equals to 5 and y1 equals to 6. Then point B also given to us. Point B equals to 10, minus 4. Therefore B equals to x2, y2. So x2 equals to 10 and y2 equals to minus 4. Now the characteristic of tangent depends upon the point of contact and the slope of the tangent. So we can find the slope of the tangent because tangent is parallel to the line AB. Our concept is slope of tangent is equals to slope of parallel line. So what is a parallel line? Parallel line AB. So we must find the slope of AB. So slope of AB, let us call it as a M, and we can call it as M1 as well as, that is formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Difference of y upon difference of x. Now y2 value minus 4 and y1 value minus 6 and x2 value is 10 and x1 value is minus 5. So I am having minus 10 upon 5 equals to minus 2. So we got here m1 equals to minus 2. So slope of the line is equals to slope of tangent. Slope of line equals to slope of tangent. What is reason? What is the reason for this? Reason for is line is parallel to tangent. Therefore slope of tangent is equals to slope of line. Now we go for the question. Step number 2. In this equation of tangent is given to us, that is y equals to x square minus 10x plus 24. Slope, how to find out slope? Slope of tangent is nothing but dy by dx. Slope of tangent is nothing but dy by dx at the point x1 y1. So we write the point here x1 y1. First we find the dy by dx here. So the dy by dx equals to 2x minus 10, and so we want the coordinates. So we can say dy by dx at the point x1 y1 is equals to 2x1 minus 10. This is the equation 2. This is nothing but, this is equals to slope of line AB. Slope of line AB. So what is AB? Already we are having slope of AB. Slope of AB already we are having, that is equals to slope of equals to minus 2. Slope of line is already we are having, that is equals to minus 2. So what we are doing now? We are putting the dy by dx, that is that 2x1 minus 10 equals to minus 2. 2x1 equals to minus 2 plus 10. 2x1 equals to 8. x1 equals to 8 upon 2 is equal to 4. Now we want y1 value, because tangent is the point where the tangent and curve having the common points, that is the point of contact. So to find the point of contact, the point of contact satisfies the equation of tangent as well as the equation of curve. Equation of curve is given to us x square minus 10x plus 24. That is the equation of curve, they already given to us. So to find out y1, I put here x1 square minus 10x1 plus 24. So y1 equals to, in place of x1 I put 4 square minus 10 into 4 plus 24. y1 equals to 16 minus 40 plus 24. So 24, 16, 10, 1 and 40. So y1 equals to 40 minus 40. y1 equals to 0. Therefore the point of contact x1 y1 equals to 4, 0. This is answer. This is the result of this one. to find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve root x minus root y equals to 5 at the point 1 comma 4. So we draw the curve. We don't know exactly where the curve is. Suppose this is the curve and here is the tangent and this point is 1 comma 4 and the equation of curve is root x minus root y equals to 5. So root x minus root y equals to 5. To find the equation of tangent and normal, we require their slopes. So m1 is the slope of tangent and as usual m2 is the slope of normal. To find the slopes, we must have the dy by dx of given curve. Therefore, equation of curve is root x minus root y equals to 5. Rearranging it, root x minus 5 equals to root y. Taking y to the left side because we need to find dy by dx derivative. Now differentiating with respect to x both sides. Therefore, differentiation of root x minus 5 here. Derivative of root y is 1 upon 2 root y into dy by dx and derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. Next step is dy by dx equals to 2 root y upon 2 root x. 2 to get cancelled here, I to get root y upon root x. In question it is given the point of contact as a 1 comma 4. So what I do? Point of contact is given as 1 comma 4. So dy by dx, that is the m1, slope of tangent. This is slope of tangent dy by dx at 1 comma 4 equals to, in place of y I am putting 4 and in place of x I am putting 1. So it is a root 4 equals to plus or minus 2. Similarly, now slope of tangent we have received. Slope of tangent m1 equals to plus 2 r over r, m1 equals to minus 2. Now slope of normal. Slope of normal m2 is negative reciprocal of slope of tangent. So minus 1 upon 2. I have utilized this value. This value is left to the students as homework. So minus 1 by 2. So m2 equals to minus 1 by 2. This is slope of normal. And we had the equation root x minus root y equals to 5 and the point of contact 1 upon 1 comma 4, and we require to find equation of tangent and normal. So how we can do that? So case number 1. In case 1, what I am doing? m1 is equals to 2 and x1 y1 equals to 1 comma 4. So equation of tangent is y minus y1 equals to m1 x minus x1. So y minus 4 equals to 2 x minus 1. So y minus 4 equals to 2x minus 2. Rearranging properly, 2x minus y minus 2 plus 4 equals to 0. So 2x minus y plus 2 equals to 0. This is the result number 1. And after that we must go for equation of normal. So that is m2 equals to minus 1 by 2 x1 and y1 equals to 1 comma 4. So what we do now, we again apply the same equation. Y minus y1 equals to m2 x minus x1. For normal, it is for normal. So y minus y1 4, m2 is nothing but minus 1 by 2 x minus 1. So 2 into y minus 4 equals to minus 1 x minus 1. 2y minus 8 equals to minus x plus 1. So what I am doing now? What I am going to do? I am going to simplify this equation. So I get here 2y plus x minus 8 minus 1 equals to 0. 2y plus x minus 9 equals to 0. This is required equation of normal. I did by taking the first values of root, that is a plus 2 and minus 1 by 2, and other values of the root, that is minus 2 and 1 by 2. The set 2 is left to the student as a homework. Parametric equations of curve is given, that is x equals to t plus 1 upon t and y equals to t minus 1 upon t. To find the equation of tangent and normal, we require the slope of tangent and require the slope of normal, and individual equations for x and y are given. So what we do, we first find out dx by dt for first equation and dy by dt for the second equation. So let's find out dx by dt for first equation. Derivative of t is 1 and derivative of 1 upon t is minus 1 upon t square, and dy by dt, derivative of t is 1 and derivative of 1 upon t is minus 1 upon t square. So dx by dt is equals to 1 minus 1 upon t square and dy by dt equals to 1 plus 1 upon t square. So after that we wish to have dy by dx. So how to get dy by dx? Dy by dx can be obtained by dy by dt upon dx by dt. So dy by dx, dy by dt nothing but 1 plus 1 upon t square and it is 1 minus 1 upon t square. So that is equals to t square plus 1 upon t square and t square minus 1 upon t square. T square goes out, and remembering getting out the t square minus 1. So the things are t square plus 1 upon t square minus 1, that is dy by dx. Now after getting this one, we should recollect that parameter value is t equals to 1 given to us. So slope of tangent as usual, m1 equals to dy by dx, and putting the value of parameter. Till now we were having x1 y1, but in this question we are having t equals to 1. So putting the values of, that is t square plus 1 upon t square minus 1, I am putting t value 1 here. So 1 square plus 1 upon 1 square minus 1, that becomes 2 upon 0. So that equals to infinity. Therefore slope of tangent is infinity. Now slope of normal we require to find out, that is negative reciprocal of slope of tangent. So that is minus 1 upon m1 minus 1 upon infinity, that becomes 0. Now next is to find equation of tangent. To find the equation of tangent, we are not having x1 y1. So the next step should be to find x1 y1, that is the point of contact. So how to find out point of contact? Let us see here. And we are having x equals to t plus 1 upon t, and we are having y equals to t minus 1 upon t. So t equals to 1, the parameter value t equals to 1 given to us. So putting the value of parameter here, y equals to 1 minus 1 upon 1. So this becomes 1 plus 1, and this becomes 1 minus 1. So x becomes 2. The value of x equals to 2 and value of y equals to 0. So therefore point of contact x1 y1 equals to 2 comma 0. Once we got slopes and we got point of contact, it is very easy to find out equation of tangent and normal. So we go for the case number 1, equation of tangent. So how to find out equation of tangent? Again, you should recollect that x1 y1 equals to 2 comma 0 and m1 equals to infinity. Using as usual formula, y minus y1 equals to m1 x minus x1. So y minus 0, m1 is infinity x minus 2, and y equals to infinity can be written as 1 upon 0. So I am having 1 upon 0 x minus 2. So y into 0 equals to x minus 2, implies x minus 2 equals to 0. This is required equation of tangent. Now our second aim to get the equation of normal. And equation of normal, how to get equation of normal? Again, the m2 is equals to 0 we are having, and x1 y1 point of contact is equal to 2 comma 0. Again putting the in equation, y minus y1 equals to m2 x minus x1. So y minus 0 m2 0 x minus 2. So y equals to 0. This is the equation of normal. The speciality of this problem is the equations were not regular in x and y terms, they were given extra, that is a parameter was given to us. So directly we cannot solve the question. If the parameter value given, then only we can solve the question here. So parameter value t equals to 1 was also given, and now we got the equation of tangent and normal. Find the point on the curve y equals to x square plus 2x plus 5 where the tangents are parallel to the line. So first I do here, draw the curve and draw the tangent and draw a parallel line, and let us call it as a point of contact x1 and y1. An equation of parallel line given to us, 4x plus 3y plus 2 equals to 0. And equation of curve y equals to x square plus 2x plus 5. Here the concept is slope of parallel lines are equal, that is the concept. So let m1 equals to slope of tangent. So slope of tangent, that is equals to slope of parallel line. What is parallel line? Equation of parallel line is given as 4x plus 3y plus 2 equals to 0. Comparing it with ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Slope is given by minus a upon b. Here is a equals to 4 and b is equal to 3. Comparing respective terms. So m1 equals to minus a upon b, that becomes minus 4 by 3. So slope of tangent is minus 4 by 3. That is m1 equals to minus 4 by 3. Now the second step, the slope of tangents can be also obtained by the equation y equals to x square plus 2x plus 5. That is the equation of curve. Doing derivative of that will give us the slope of the tangent. So y equals to x square plus 2x plus 5. What is this? It is the equation of curve. And dy by dx of this is going to be 2x plus 2. And this also equals to m1. So m1 equals to dy by dx at point of contact x1 and y1. We assume x1 y1 as a point of contact. So x1 y1 is a point of contact. So m1 has become 2x1 plus 2 because here x1 y1 dy by dx is 2x plus 2. Therefore m1 will become 2x1 plus 2. It is equation number 2. And we are already having m1, that is m1 equals to minus 4 by 3 from this equation number 1. Comparing 1 and 2 now, because we require to find the point of contact. So 2x1 plus 2 is equals to minus 4 by 3. Cross multiplication, 2x1 plus 2 equals to minus 4. 6x1 plus 6 equals to minus 4. 6x1 equals to minus 4 minus 6. 6x1 equals to minus 10. x1 equals to minus 10 by 6. Cutting it by 2, so I get here minus 5 by 3. Once I get the x1 equals to minus 5 by 3. And putting this value in the equation of curve. What is the curve? Y equals to x square plus 2x plus 5. Since x1 y1 are lying on the curve as well as tangent, because it is point of contact, therefore the point of contact must satisfy the equation of curve. So I am writing here y1, x1 and x1. So they must satisfy equation of the curve. Therefore I kept x1 y1 in the equation. After that x1, what I am doing? I am doing here 5 by 3 whole square plus 2 into minus 5 by 3 plus 5. So simplifying this, I am going to get the y1 value as well as 25 upon 9 minus 10 upon 3 plus 5. So here is the 25 upon 9 minus 10 into 3 upon 9 plus 5 into 9 upon 9. 25 minus 30 plus 45 upon 9, that is equal to 25 plus 15 upon 9 equals to 40 upon 9. After that, upon 9. Therefore, point of contact x1 y1 is equals to x1. What is x1? We are already having minus 5 upon 3, and y1 we got just now 40 upon 9. Therefore, point of contact is minus 5 by 3 comma 40 upon 9. The question was find the point on the curve. Therefore, this is nothing but point on the curve. Point on the curve. The point on the curve equals to minus 5 by 3 comma 40 upon 9. This is result. This is the answer. find the equation of tangent to the equation of tangent at the point a comma 2a to the curve y square equals to 4ax. So first I draw the curve here, and drawing that it is a point of contact a comma 2a. Assume m1 as a slope of tangent. Now equation of curve is given to us, and equation of curve is nothing but y square equals to 4ax. To get the slope of tangent I require dy by dx as usual. So doing derivative both side, derivative of y square equals to derivative of 4ax with respect to x. So derivative of y square is 2y, dy by dx equals to 4a. So 2y dy by dx equals to 4a. Now dy by dx equals to 4a upon 2y. If x1 y1 is the point of contact, x1 y1 is the point of contact, then I can write x1 dy by dx x1 y1, and x1 y1 is equals to a comma 2a and equals to 4a. In place of y I am going to substitute for y, that is 2a. So that is 4a upon 4a equals to 1. Therefore slope of tangent m1 is equal to 1. So slope of tangent. Now I request the student, when you are taking the notes, you write all the steps, don't even skip one step. If you do like that, you will remember this problem forever. You even may not require revision of the problems, because once the mathematics we understand, we can remember it forever. That is what my experience. So slope of tangent. Now equation of tangent. Equation of tangent is given by y minus y1 equals to m1 x minus x1. The point of contact x1 y1 is equals to a comma 2a. So I am going to substitute for that. This is equal to x1 and this is equals to y1. So 2a, m1 is 1 and x minus a. So y minus 2a equals to x minus a. Now taking the y term to that side, as you know that I always keep x positive, therefore I am taking y to that side minus, and a is also going that side, become plus 2a equals to 0, x minus y plus a equals to 0. This is what the equation of tangent. Equation of tangent. And equation of normal is not asked in this question, only tangent to be obtained. Therefore we got the x minus y plus equals to 0. This is what equation of tangent. Find the slope of tangent to the curve y equals to tan cube theta plus sec theta at theta equals to pi by 4. Here variable is theta, and so with respect to theta we shall be doing. So that is dy by y equals to tan cube theta plus sec theta. Now differentiating with respect to theta. So dy by d theta equals to derivative of tan cube theta plus sec theta with respect to theta. So tan cube theta derivative is 3 tan square theta dot derivative of tan theta with respect to theta plus derivative of sec theta is sec theta dot tan theta. 3 tan square theta, tan theta nothing but derivative of tan theta nothing but sec square theta plus sec theta dot tan theta. If you wish to have basic knowledge of derivative, you can go through my another video on derivatives. Link shall be given in the description box. So dy by d theta we are having. This is dy by d theta. Now we need to find slope of tangent. Slope of tangent at theta equals to pi by 4. That is m1 is the slope of tangent. m1 is the slope of tangent. So that can be obtained by dy by d theta at theta equals to pi by 4. So that is equals to 3 tan square pi by 4 sec square pi by 4 plus sec pi by 4 dot tan pi by 4. We know that theta, we know that tan pi by 4 equals to tan 45 equals to 1. Sec pi by 4 equal to sec 45 equals to root 2. So m1 equals to 3 tan pi by 4 whole square dot sec pi by 4 whole square plus sec pi by 4 dot tan pi by 4. So what we can do now? Equals to 3 tan pi by 4 nothing but 1 square and sec pi by 4 root 2 square plus sec pi by 4 is root 2 and tan pi by 4 equals to 1. So I get 3 into 1 into 2 plus root 2. This is into, so that is equal to 6 plus root 2. So m1 equals to 6 plus root 2 and this is nothing but slope of tangent. We wanted to find slope of tangent, so we got it. Now we'll see how to find the angle between two tangents if slopes of two tangents are given. We got a curve y equals to f of x. First tangent is drawn, second tangent is drawn. Angle between the two tangents is theta. m1 is the slope of first tangent. m2 equals to slope of second tangent. Then angle between the two tangents given by modulus of m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2, and in this case we can find out theta by tan inverse modulus of m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. Y equals to f of x is the equation of the curve. Let's see one example. When m1 m2 given, how to find theta. m1 equals to 4, m2 equals to 3, and we already know that tan theta equals to modulus of m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. In that case, tan theta equals to, putting the values of m1 m2 here, we do get tan theta equals to 1 upon 13 and theta equals to tan inverse of 1 upon 13. By using calculator, I got the value of 1 upon 13 equals to 0.0769, and using calculator we got theta equals to 4.39 degrees. if you are 12th standard student, you can use log table instead of calculator. But if you are engineering student, you can directly get the values of theta by using your scientific calculator. Find the value of k if the tangent 4x plus 8ky plus 3 equals to 0 drawn through the curve. So we have the curve here and a tangent is drawn to it and parallel to the line. Tangent is parallel to the line. 10x plus 12y plus 6 equals to 0, and this is 4x plus 8ky plus 3 equals to 0. Now when we are having two tangents here, comparing this with ax, every equation we are comparing with ax plus by plus c equals to 0. For tangent a value is 4 and b value is 8k, and slope of tangent, let us say m1, and slope of parallel line also m1, because both are parallel to each other. So m1 equals to minus a upon b equals to minus 4 upon 8k. So 4 1s are 4 2s are minus 1 upon 2k. Now in case of parallel line, m1 equals to minus a upon b again. For parallel line, a equals to 10 and b equals to 12. Putting the values here, so minus 10 upon 12 equals to minus 5 by 6. Now we need to find the value of k. So comparing both the equations, 1 upon 2k, both are identical, only the expressions are different, but the slope of both the lines are equal. Therefore m1 and m1, both for the m1 of the case 1, m1 of the case 2, we are comparing. So we do get here minus 1 into 6 upon minus 5 into 2 equals 2k. 2 1s are 2 3s are, so k value becomes plus 3 upon 5. This is the result. This is the required value of k.